Hey there, Tim and Eric Tillman back at you. So in today's video, I wanted to show you this flashlight that I did get from Olight. Oh no, Olight did actually send me this, asked me to do a review, but they're not paying me any money and they're not telling me what to say or anything like that. This is the iMini 2. This is listed as their stylish, magnetic, and rechargeable mini light. This thing is fantastic. It's got some really cool features. I think it's been out a little while. I think this is maybe their new version. And it has the length on this is 55 millimeters, 2.17 inches. The body diameter is 15.1 millimeters and 0.59 inches, a little over a half an inch. And so the weight is 19.5 grams or 0.69 ounces, and the battery is 80 milliamps and 3.7 volts. So this thing is super cool, super small. Now this thing has a really unique on and off switch, and basically it's magnetic.
That was awesome.
So this thing is super magnetic. The magnet is super strong, and it doesn't. I've tried to actually get it off there. I'm pushing it pretty hard, trying to get it off there. But when you pull it off there, it's got a magnet on it, and
yeah, it's also a strong magnet.
50 lumens, so it's not made to kind of like the this 1500 lumen Olight. The Arc Pro from Olight. It's not near as bright as that one, but this one's got some cool features. It's magnetic. Again, you saw the magnet that holds it in here. Super strong. And you can, if you're working up in the ceiling or something like this, be great for maintenance guys like myself. And so super awesome. You can see how strong the magnet is. It actually pulls it near it, and which is nice, which is the, like I said, the on and off switch. This is the how you charge it. This ring stuff comes with it, and basically you get this little key ring carabiner clip, and then when you want to charge it, there's no cord that comes with this thing, but when you want to charge it, you actually take this rubber off, this rubber piece. Now you do get an extra one of these, because I could see how this could possibly get missed somewhere, lost somewhere. But so you do actually get an extra one of those in the package, and then you get this little clip right here, and when you get it, so when you want to charge it, you just plug this into a USB cord, and away you go. When you want to charge this thing, you actually just plug it into a charger and plug it in, and it has a little light here on the corner, and when it's red, it'll tell you it's charging, and then when it's done, it'll go green, which is pretty cool. Super cool. Like I said, super cool. It'll let you know that when it's done. Not sure why they didn't go to a USB-C instead of a USB-A. It seems kind of, I don't know, kind of old school, so to speak. Maybe it creates a bigger, the only thing I could think of is it kind of creates a bigger space here. So USB-C is a lot smaller. So in order to put like a clip on there, to clip it onto your key ring and stuff like that, which is where I'm going to put it. I would think that this hole needed to be that size, so they at least put a decent carabiner. The clip on this carabiner is really strong, and that's probably why. The only thing I can think of why they went with the USB-A, but it comes in several colors. I think it's green, blue, black, orange. Kind of like the Arc Pro, that has some different color, a few different colors, but just a super little nice little flashlight for everyday use. This thing is about as bright as a cell phone light on a cell phone, so you can kind of compare it to that. And so it's not too bad. I'll pull out my iPhone and just kind of see which one's brighter. You can see that there, and then it's about almost as bright as this, the cell phone. So actually it's a little brighter than the cell phone, and so kind of got about the same amount of light. Yeah, it's a little brighter than the cell phone, which is pretty cool. So hopefully you got enough info out of that. Now this thing runs right now on Amazon. Olight mini rechargeable. It's 30% off on here, and running $13.98 for a little bitty flashlight. And of course they've got a 1R2 Pro flashlight for $21. And then here they got them running for $13. So for a little flashlight, that's a pretty good deal for 50 lumens. You know, something that you can carry every day. Here's the different colors right here. You can kind of see. I got red, green. Got the orange. This is like a green bluish color, a green and a black. And so you can get a 2-pack of these if you want. Just a super nice flashlight. You see the narrowing on here, which has got like a really nice narrowing. So just a really cool little flashlight. And right now they're on sale, so you can't go wrong. Normally about 20 bucks. They're on sale for just under $14. So at the time of this video. So I hope that helps. Like I said, they did send this to me. So this one here is the OD Green, is what they're calling it. And this super small flashlight. Great little deal. Like I said, I really like the fact that you can take this off and put it on something magnetic. I work up inside drop ceilings and stuff all the time. That it's got a metal, the drop ceilings I work on have a metal grid to it. So this would work great if I'm just getting up there real quick and want to, you know, see something. Got a nice little magnet. It's really strong magnet. And again, I'm trying to get that thing off there by shaking it, and it won't come off. So I just thought it was a really cool flashlight. It's a really decent price right now, being on sale. So I hope that helps you. If you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You get notified when I post a new video or go live. And this is Tim and Eric, back at you.
I'll be back.